Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Along with the kit, it comes with the grease certs. It comes with some grease to kind of pre-lube your bushings and everything. Comes with the new nut for your ball joint. The sleeves that go inside the bushings for the bolt that goes all the way through. And the two upper control arms themselves. All right, so now we've got the bushings and everything put in. This is gonna slide over just like this. Pay attention to that, the ABS cable there. But we are going to just reinstall. It has two washers on each side on the new upper control arm, where the old one only had one. So make sure you account for that as well. But I'm going to struggle and get this bolt back through here, and we'll show you once I get the bolt in and everything tightened down. All right, guys, so as you can see, I've got everything put back together. Bolt all the way back through. You can see right there, it's it's a lot better to get in there. Not a bad install. I like the way they look, and I'm excited to see how they ride.